Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dias Paul and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share and subscribe my channel. If you're a new viewer, go to my channel, watch all the videos. If you're liking it, you can hit this subscribe button like this and you can be a part of this family. And don't forget to hit that bell icon and hit that all notification, so whenever I post a video you will get a notification. You will not miss out any video, and during your free time 5 to 10 minutes you can just watch the video and something will be helpful for you. And yeah, you can also check out my personal channel, that's Dice Paul. I never told about this channel because I had stopped it long back. It's my old channel which never ran, but yeah, it was just part of my entertainment type only. I used to dance before, so I stopped it. Now recently I just started putting videos on it. So yeah, if you have free time you can just go and check out this also. And for the ones who want additional services, you can always WhatsApp 7892652481 or my website smartrader.co, which is under maintenance, will be coming very soon. And for the ones who wants to open an account through us, you can go to the about section and then you can click on the Zerodha or Upstock link and open your account through us, or in video description also I have mentioned the link. Click and join so that you can be part of my secret Telegram channel. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. Alright, so today's topic, I have made a PPT based on the technical head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so this is our technical analysis video 3, that is concept 3. Let me activate my pen. Alright, it's working. Okay, so yeah, this is also a price pattern. Okay, just like how you learned double top, which we learned, right? So this is a head and shoulders pattern which we are going to learn, and this would be our concept 3, right? Alright, so now this head and shoulders, let me go down. Okay, so the head and shoulders pattern looks just like, it is named just like us, like head and shoulders. Now basically the logic is you find out a pattern where the head is higher than the shoulders. Okay, so somewhat like this. Now doesn't mean it should be like sharp like this is an example only, but it can be like this, like this, like this, and doesn't mean that this and this should be equal. No. Okay, so now basically this they call is at shoulders, considering this is higher than these two, so this is called a head and shoulders pattern. And they draw a neckline touching these 2 points. They draw a line. If this and this is equal, they draw straight line. If this is higher and this is lower, they try to draw like this or draw like this. That varies. Okay, but generally what they do, they try to, okay, so they try to draw a line. Now what is this line? This is support line, support. Okay, so this is our support line. When support breaks here, they try to take a position, sell or short. So guys, this is as per theory. Okay, as per theory what you learn, this is theory. Now practical will be totally different. Now just because I told people will sell here, now you don't go and sell here. You can observe and learn and add it to your parameters of many other technical indicators and price patterns. Along with that, you can use this particular. Don't just believe one pattern and say every time 100% of the time people will sell you. Okay, sometimes it can reverse also. So be very careful. This is a support line. Only when the support line breaks, technical analyst will sell. So that's the logic behind this particular pattern as per theory. Now when this breakout happens, consider this is the head, right? So the distance between the neckline and the head, they will see approximately, let's say 10 rupees. Then they will also, after breakout confirmation, they will consider target as 10 rupees. Okay, now be very mindful. Just like you, many other people who learnt about this pattern, they will also try to book their profit at 10 rupees. So what happens? Maybe it comes to 9 rupees 50 paisa and reverse, because people start selling, right, or buying opposite entry, so it will reverse. Now don't tell, okay, it didn't achieve 10 rupees exactly. So at least being in Smart Trader family, we should be little wise here that many others also will book. So either book your profits before that somewhere so that you exit before someone else. Okay, that's how you have to use this technical analysis knowledge. Now let's go to the next example. Now there are two types. Okay, now for the uptrend and downtrend. For example, consider the uptrend. Okay, now market is in the uptrend and the formation somewhat came like this. Now they drew a neckline over here. So over here you took a short position, right? So like I told you, it doesn't require that this point and this point should be equal. See, it is not equal. You're just drawing a line touching this point and this point. So your point is here. So it can go cross like this also, it can go like this also, upside. Not that it should be always equal like what you learn in books. So So this is practical. Okay, so now the sell point is here. Whenever the body touches the support, that is breaks the support, that is when. So normally shadows will touch. This is shadow, right? The sticks are shadow. So this body, when it touches and closes only, you get a confirmation breakout happened. So people try to take the positions there. Same way here it's a downtrend. So it's basically a reversal pattern. Okay, reversal pattern. So now reversal happened over here and people took a short position. Same thing. Now imagine there is a downtrend. Okay, the stock is going down and you got the formation of head and shoulders. It's basically called as inverted, I mean the reverse pattern. Okay, so you got the same head and shoulders where the shoulders are below the head. Okay, now it's a pattern called head and shoulders inverted. So again you touch these two line and you draw a neckline, and whenever a breakout happens on this neckline like this breakout, you take a position on buy side long. Okay, so people take advantage like this, long over here. In the previous example they did a short. So for you should get an inverted head and shoulders to take a buy position long for short term trading. For intraday obviously you can do buying and selling both. You can look at the formation, but if you for intraday the technical indicators fail because of people psychology. So therefore for short term trading and long term trading, technical indicators and patterns will help in better way that you can observe. Anyways, I have recorded a live trade video. So while doing live trade I got a scenario, so I captured it live on my mobile. So I'll just play that so that few people, beginners, will get a better idea. So example of head and shoulders, if you see over here. So this is the shoulder, this is the head, this is the head. So this is going to be our neckline now. So if it breaks this neckline support, okay, so if it breaks that, then it can go up to from this neckline level to above how much ever it has moved, maybe from 137.40 to 139.40, almost 2 rupees, right? Somewhere close to, not the exact number, but it has chances that if it breaks the neckline, then there's a support, then it can go up to 2 rupees down. Now let's say 2 rupees down means somewhere around 36.10, 35.10, somewhere here it can come down after breakouts. So I'm just for an example, I just caught this stock, so I thought I'll just record it during the live market, because it's very rare that you get such formations, because these are all theories which you learn. So sometimes these theories will be successful, sometimes not, but definitely very less for intraday 1 minute chart. Yes, 1 day chart you can apply, but I'm just applying that theory for a 1 minute chart, which is less accurate, but let's see whether this will happen or not. As per theory, how it will happen. The market is up anyways for the day. That's the reason you see gap up happen, and stocks are bullish because market is very much high. So let's look at this. If somebody are doing profit booking on this stock, then down. So one example of head and shoulders reversal pattern, that is for a bearish breakout. See, it is now currently in the support, so there is a good support for the stock. Either it has to take a support and go up, or else break down and go down. So last time it came and touched here also. So like we spoke, after some time you see it broke the neckline. Okay, so it broke this neckline somewhere here and it went up to 135.6. So this was the theory which we learn, considering this is a head and shoulder. So these were the shoulders. Now shoulders don't require to be equal, but the head should be higher than the shoulders, and we need to get a support line, that is a neckline over here, so that a breakout happens. People take advantage. People try to sell over here. That's what they have done in intraday also. Generally I will go with 1 day candle, but I just try to apply this in a intraday. So by knowing these type of formations will somewhere help you. Now a lot of people would have thought this stock is up and they would have bought at current market price, but because I know the theory, I remember the technical analysis theory which I learned from my MBA thing, so I
applied it front of you live. So it at least gave, if you see 137.22, 136.2 to 1 rupee, almost it has given 1% movement down, right? So that was one advantage. Maybe you could have hit the 0.3% target here. Anyways, it had a potential to go up to where from, normally as per theory it goes from 137 point here, from somewhere from this level to, so how much ever it has gone, okay, they will try to calculate that level from here to lower level. So normally they do those type of calculation. In this anyways we got around 1 rupee 30, 1 rupee 40 paisa, 1 rupee 50 paisa, so almost 1% downside movement. Even though the market is green, the stock came down because of this head and shoulder reversal happening.
Hope this concept was an add-on to your knowledge. So if you like such things, please do hit that like button and share with all your friends and beginners so that they also get educated by learning all this technical analysis step by step. So after a few days or few months, they'll be in a better position. Thank you so much. Please do watch my other videos of concept 2 and concept 1 if you're not yet watched, and subscribe for the future concepts. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.